Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yep, we can
Hey,
hear
hey,
you.
Clair.
It kept turning off. Hi. Sorry, I'm waiting in my car for pickup time for the kids.
Oh, I do a lot of multitasking during
Yes.
the pickup line.
Yes.
Some of these meetings were set up from my car in the pickup line. So
Yeah.
I know all about it. Well, Michelle, why don't you tell us your story, as much or as little as you'd like to tell, and why you nominated your mom for Hope for the Holidays.
Whew, let's see if I can do this.
Okay.
So the last 3 years, we have lost two. My mom has lost two children, my brother and my sister, due to drug addiction. And as anyone can imagine, that's a mother's worst nightmare. It has just about killed her. In the midst of all of this, she had a very serious car accident that she broke her back and her ankles and had to have massive surgery and physical therapy, and at the same time, there we go, go through all of this other stuff. After my sister passed away 3 years ago, my husband bought me the maker and all the other stuff, and I got into making tumblers, and I found it really helped me just deal with everything and get through, and it just give me something for me. So I started getting my mom into little things that she could do, and she decided she wanted a Cricut Joy, but she's on unlimited income, and just couldn't afford one. And of course, I would love to buy her one, but having 5 kids and this year being the year that it's been, it just wasn't working this year. My husband was laid off in June, and he's now running his own business. So things aren't what they used to be. So yeah, that was my wish for her, would be able to give her that. And then as soon as COVID is over, be able to bring her to visit me and see her grandkids that are here. So that's the gist of it without going into all the yucky stuff.
I think that's probably one of the best things you can do for her, is just to help her be creative, because there's a lot in our crafty community that use their machines as a form of therapy, really.
Yes, exactly. You know, our kids are our lives, and when you lose them, you don't know what's next, and this is giving her a little bit of something to focus on.
Yeah, we definitely want to be a part of that and help her. For me, definitely crafting has been therapy all its own. So we would love to get a Cricut Joy to her and help her use that as just a way to find some joy in every day. I totally see where that idea comes from, and I'm so glad that the crafting and the art and the tumblers has helped you cope too. So we are going to send your mom a Cricut Joy and a few accessories to go with it. Does she have? She doesn't have a Cricut right now, right?
Oh, I send her stuff that I make. I FedEx it to her.
So we'll get her a little bit of vinyl too, and some tools. Make sure she's got the mats and everything that she needs for it, and we'll get your mom cricketing.
I'm excited. I'm excited for her and for what this will do for her. Thank you.
I'm excited for her too. It's going to just open up a whole new obsession, addiction.
Yeah, it's great.
Yes, it's so much fun, and Holly knows, and I know how much joy crafts can bring to people who enjoy it. So I'm excited to see what she makes.
Yes, me too. Thank you guys so much. This has been wonderful.
Well, I'm really excited for her to get this. So, do we have your mom's address yet?
Yes,
Okay.
I did yesterday.
Okay. So, we will get that Cricut on the way to her, a Cricut Joy, and I'm just so excited for her to get this and get to making her own stuff, and that'll help you keep some of your stuff for yourself too.
Yes. Yes. What my teenage daughters don't always have me trying to make for them also.
Okay,
yeah.
well, that is just so great. And thank you for nominating your mom. I love to see when people nominate others to help make their holidays brighter and make their days brighter. So we will get your mom a Cricut Joy and some accessories to get her started, and we'll get that on the way to her.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Michelle.
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you guys have not entered Hope for the Holidays yet, you still have time up until December 25th. And Sarah is going to tell you how you can enter.
So you can go to Holly's YouTube channel and enter from the link there. You can go to our Counterculture DIY Facebook business page. There's a link there, or in our Counterculture DIY artist support group under the announcements. You can also just email us at hope@counterculturediy.com and nominate yourself or a loved one that needs a little extra cheer this holiday season. And we will pick as many people as we can. And we look forward to hearing from you. Merry Christmas.